Hey guys, it's your boy Joe back at it again, CodingPhase.com. Your boy is back and I done did it again. Today we have something special for you guys. I know it's a little bit late, but as you guys can see, I'm on vacation right now. So I still want to be able to release the challenges. And here is our first contestant, Paul Ribeiro. And for those that don't know, basically the challenge is to create an image gallery with 6 to 9 images. And then basically when we hover on top of the images, we need to see an animation. Okay, so what we have here is this gallery. So let's go over it. Okay, all right, I like it. You know, be able to share it to Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. That's cool. We got the little animation on the top. It also has like a little thing where it changes the color. I don't know if it is using filters, but it looks good. Then over here, this one has, you know, a little description. Okay, so basically it has 2 animations. I mean, he also went in out the way and created like a full image gallery where, you know, with a light box, and you can click on it and changes the images. Click outside, takes you out. So it's pretty cool. All right, I like what he did. Let's see here. We have Mark Gaskell. Okay, this is his animation. Okay, so it's pretty cool. As you click on it, changes the images on top. So it's a pretty simple animation here. But the only thing that I will say, as you can see, like, I don't know if maybe some issue with the Z index. Like, you could definitely fix this up a little bit better. Okay, all right, so let's see. Next one, we have this one from William Sibburn. Okay, it's just tilting. Okay, I mean, this one is fine. Animation, I guess the animation of it is just the tilting. Let me see, click to toggle it. Okay, all right. Okay, I see what you did. And I mean, it's fine. The only thing that I would say is you want to have it more in a better layout, right? Because even though this is a challenge and this is just like to show what skills you have, you want to make it seem like as if it's a real website. You see what Paolo Ribeiro, what he did. This looks more like a real website's image gallery, you know. Even this one, you know. But this is more like full screen, and it's like you're displaying the animations, but it's not really an image gallery. You get what I'm saying? It's just like, just fix it up, just clean it up. Your presentation gotta be a little bit better than that. Okay. Now we got Zigimantas Trepaposisis. I don't even know how to say your name. Sorry, I'm botching your name like that. I'm chopping it up. Okay, so you got a couple of animations. Okay, this is cool. Hey, Dragon Ball Z. Kamehameha. Alright, pretty cool. Good job. Okay, now this is somebody's going out their way. You know what I mean? And your boy Mustafa's not playing no game. He's like, yo, Chris Talk, I'm coming after you. Like, I ain't playing no games. Okay, I like the animations on this. It's like nice and smooth. Okay, everything is nice. Now he's doing it the opposite. This one's coming from the bottom and up. This one's coming from the top to the bottom. Okay, I like it. Looks good, man. Good job. Definitely. I like the fact that you have image gallery here. It just looks like a real website. This is something that somebody would be able to use. You know, you could even put this online, put some advertising here, and be like, hey man, put it on your website, create like a free HTML5 templates, right? And you can make money off this. because people will need this. A lot of people will love to have an image gallery like this, and you can make money from it. I mean, you did this already, right? So put it on your website or create a new website. This guy who, what's his name, HTML5, which I'm also thinking about doing this. I think it's HTML5up.net. He basically creates templates for free and puts it up online. But look at the numbers. 166,000 people have downloaded this. You get what I'm saying? Like, those are websites that people, are very simple, nice design, free templates for people who want to create a website quick, right? And you can make money off this, right? So even that little gallery that you created there, you can make money out of it. Okay? Your boy Mustafa. Make sure you get that Google AdSense account, man. All right? So let's see who else. So now we have from Diego. This looks nice. It's a nice animation. I see what you're going here for. You basically, when you hover on top of it, it basically leaves everything else like a little bit faded, and then it just shows the image. It's cool. It's nice. I like what you did. You could definitely do a little bit more with the animations. This is very simple, but it's fine. It's clean. I like what you did. Okay. Now let's see here. This is from Juan Lopez. Okay. This is cool. Okay. Basically, all of these are my courses. Thanks for the shout out. Thanks for the promo, Juan. I got you. Yeah, so it looks good. It looks good. Just it needs to be a little bit more professional, which is fine. This is things that you start getting as you continue to learn to code and seeing other people's designs, and you see what other people are making on their websites, and even from the challenges here, you'll be like, oh wow, I see what somebody else did. Let me take some of those ideas and now put it into my own way. You know what I mean? So let's see, the last one we got from, I think it's Nancy Mikishka. So really appreciate it, Nancy, coming in. So cute animation. All right. Only thing I would say is you could probably do a little bit better than this with the animation. It's fine. This is just for practice. And for everybody that, I come in and I tell you, hey man, you got to do a little bit better. You got to step it up. This is just for practice. This is good for you guys to come in, see what you do, see if you're even able to do it. A lot of people are watching this and they'll probably be like, oh, I could do better. But then when you see them do something, they don't really do better than you guys, right? Because it's easy to say something from home and be like, oh man, I could probably do better, or I could do this and that. But it takes you guys to show them exactly what level they should be at, or how to, better themselves. Or even if somebody comes in and creates something exactly like yours, now because they've seen your work, now they're like, oh, okay, I could actually make it a little bit better like this, make the animations, more smoother. Also to put in, like, maybe change the pointer instead of having this pointer, this cursor, put the pointer cursor, which is like the little hand. It just tells the user, like, hey, this is clickable, even though currently right now this is not clickable, but it's nice. I like what you guys did. Everybody did some good stuff, like what Diego did, like what Mustafa did. Okay, so who exactly is the winner? I think, to be honest with you guys, I mean, it's no secret. I think the cleanest one, the best looking one, the one that looks the most smoothest, and the one that seems like put in more time, I would say it's Mustafa, right? Nice animation, nice and clean. Okay, it's legit. All right, now So Mustafa's the winner, hands down. Okay. Now we're gonna give it to somebody as the runner-up, right? We're gonna give him the runner-up. Who do we think is the runner-up? Those are good. It's hard. Look, I think in this situation, the runner-up will be between Diego, because it's more of a website and it looks more legit. It looks more like a website, something that somebody could use. You know, there's people, like I said, there's people out there that's looking for things like this. And they're like, man, I can't find any ideas. You know, you guys can make money with this challenges automatically. Okay. Now this one, and I will mix it with this one, between those two. I like Diego's because it's more of like a real e-commerce website. Now I like Paolo. Is it Paul or Paul? I like Paul's because this is more like the animations is top notch. Okay, he know what he's doing. It's more like a real gallery. Okay, so I will give it between them two, Diego and Paul. All right. So yeah, man, it's your boy Joe back at it again. CodingPhase.com. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like this video, guys, and make sure you go to the website. Go to CodingPhase.com. You come to this website, you're gonna learn how to become a web developer by building real projects. We're not doing like little bullshit. You see how we're doing these challenges? Like, these are real things that you guys will be doing at a job. Okay, so what we're doing in my website is teaching you guys things from HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, Laravel, Node.js, Ruby on Rails, like all the stuff that you need to become a web developer. And not only just become a web developer, but pretty much be somebody who can say, hey, whatever they throw at me, I can build it because I've already done it at CodingPhase.com. So go check it out, man. Check the Learn Polymer 3 course. This is a course that is like future proof. This is something that's gonna be popping in the next few months. So basically it's like, hey, once everybody start talking about Polymer, etc., you're like, hey, I already know this stuff, right? You got Laravel, you got Node.js, building a social network. We got, you know, free courses. There's free courses here. You know, there's a whole bunch of stuff. All you have to do here, even if you can't afford anything, come here, click here, and go to free. You know, click on free, and there's a whole bunch of free courses here, guys. You know, take advantage. And yeah, man, it's your boy Joe back at it again. CodingPhase.com. Your boy's back, and I done did it again.